Let us introduce SDLG, a construction equipment supplier and member of the Volvo Group since 2007. Our main manufacturing plant is in Linyi, China, strategically located between Shanghai and Beijing. In modern and intelligent production lines, SDLG produces wheel loaders, backhoe loaders, excavators and road machinery. Together with Volvo Tech Center in the neighbouring city Jinan, SDLG strives for producing machines to live up to our brand's main pillar, reliability in action. For SDLG, innovation is a powerful tool for driving technological transformation. Here at the Experience Center, SDLG showcases the latest innovations and glimpses of the future: electric excavator, remote control of machines, and operation status of over 70,000 machines in real time. All this thanks to application systems established by SDLG in cooperation with universities and tech companies. You can rely on SDLG.
As a business owner, maybe you've tried to import industrial materials from China before, but you did not achieve your goal. That's why we take care of everything. At Camel, we ensure that you get the best from China's industrial supply chain directly from the manufacturer right up to your country. Talk to us today about how we can help you import quality industrial products. We guarantee that you'll be satisfied with Camel's services, and we're ready to work with you. Contact us via assist@cameltd.com or visit www.cameltd.com.